Reese, what's up? Andy, what's up?
Johnny, didn't you just get a new bike recently?
Well, actually, I did. I just picked up a SUPER73 RX.
Why? Did you get another bike so you can ride around with your family members or something?
Actually, I would if I could, but it doesn't have the range, and you know, my budget right now doesn't allow for it.
You know, Johnny, we have options. I mean, if you're just gonna keep that battery like stock, like 48 volt, we can actually make another battery for it that we can connect together with the stock battery, and it will be at a more affordable price, but we'll give you that range you're looking for so you can ride with your family members.
Really? That's interesting. Tell me a little bit more.
Johnny, we have a splitter. You know, with the stock battery on your bike right now, you can use one of our Powerful Lithium Shark Pack and connect them together. Together they're 48 volts, so you'll have a lot of range on that bike if you use this and the Powerful Lithium Shark Pack with your stock 48 volt battery that's on your RX right now. And you can get Mackie to put them all together.
We have the SUPER73 dual battery connector, which is available on our website. Now this connector is compatible for the SUPER73 RX, the R model, and the S2. So your battery is a 20 amp hour 48 volt battery. So Mr. E, this is the Super Shark Pack from Powerful Lithium. It's a 48 volt 25 amp hour range extender. This is the splitter that we have on our website. If you want to, you can purchase this now. If you purchase the Super Shark Pack range extender, this cable is going to be included. It's a very easy setup. It's plug and play. Guys, and this is very important, and this is very important, this is very important, and this is very important. When you connect both batteries, your stock battery and the range extender has to be fully charged. Step 1, you have to install the cradle on the down tube of your frame. It's just the 2 bolts that hold your cradle together and a number 3 Allen key. You're neatly just gonna run the cable with zip ties to the back of the frame. You're gonna open the wiring cover. You're gonna disconnect the Hygo connector. One goes to the controller, the other goes to the battery. When you connect the Hygo connectors, make sure you look for the arrows, so this way when you connect, you get a secure connection. We installed this cradle on the new version 2 Herb Lab basket just because of these cutouts. There's one cutout for the power button and one cutout for the key. Let's go over the sequence to power this on. The first thing you're gonna do is turn the power on the stock battery. Wait for the display to turn on. After the display turns on, you wanna wait at least 3 to 5 seconds before turning on the Super Shark Pack.
Now that you added your second battery, you consistently secured higher voltage.
In doing so, now you just double your range, and now you can go out there and have double the fun.
Marker. Well, I don't need you. I can just do my own thing. Stop laughing though. Marker. Are you like riding around with other people right now? That's why you purchased that? Is that what? No. Or no?
No, I don't know.
Reason why you got it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it again. But you already have a fucking Johnny, yo. Is my face that funny? Marker.
Really? That's interesting. Tell me a little bit more.
What do you want me to tell you?